A polynomial is a mathematical expression used to model and explain linear and non-linear data. A polynomial is usually composed of terms with exponents united by mathematical operators such as plus or minus. A term can be a sole variable or a constant. Sometimes a polynomial can be a single term. Polynomials can also have degrees. What is a degree in polynomials? The degree of a polynomial is the highest exponent in the expression or in the term. This means that in the expression 2x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared plus x plus 1, the highest degree is 4. In multivariable polynomials such as 3x to the power of 4, y squared plus 6x squared y, the highest degree of the entire expression is 6. How? We add the degrees of each variable in a term together. So in 3x to the power of 4, y squared, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Likewise, in 6x squared y, 2 plus 1 equals 3. There are different types of polynomials that you'll encounter in higher math and STEM courses. Here's a quick run-through of them. Monomial has one term. Binomial, 2 terms. Trinomial, 3 terms. Multinomial, more than 3 terms. Constant polynomial, degree is 0. It's just a number. Linear has a degree of 1, often used to express slope. Quadratic has a degree of 2. When graphed, it forms a parabola. Cubic has a degree of 3. It's used to express more complex data. When graphed, it resembles an S shape. Quartic, degree of 4. Quintic, degree of 5. Some cool stuff about polynomials. They can have no variable, or as many variables as needed, just not infinitely many. That means a number like 2 is still considered a polynomial. What can't be a polynomial? Here are some examples. This one can't be a polynomial because it has a negative exponent. This one has a variable inside a radical. This one has a variable in the denominator. The standard form of a polynomial means that the polynomial plays follow the leader. The terms are written in order from greatest to least, based on their exponents. In short, a polynomial can either be a group of terms or just one. Multivariable polynomials add their exponents in their respective term to get the highest degree in the expression. Polynomials add more control and depth in relationships in data as the degree increases. Want to check out more videos from us? Click our channel and discover different STEM subjects.